Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy and our BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of July. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, our OG bag is $13 monthly and you'll receive 5 sample size products. You get to pick one of those products and it's up to $70 value. Our BoxyCharm by Ipsy is 5 full-size products for $28 with a value of up to $200, and you get the choice of 3 products. This initial video for the month is my PR package unboxing. Thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting. And this is a very short and sweet. Let's get to it. Let me show you what you may get in your box or what I may get in my paid for box. Then the next video that you're going to see before choice opens, I will take all the products that I know I'm going to keep and we're going to test them out. This way you know when choice opens, you know what to pick or maybe what to stay away from. I think I'm going to go ahead and go into the BoxyCharm by Ipsy first. I love the new boxes. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And it does say 85% recycled materials, beautiful inside and out. And it obviously has this beautiful branding that says Ipsy, and then it is a beautiful rainbow of the radiance. I have been getting Ipsy, my paid for Ipsy, since 2015, and I really like it. I always feel like it is the best bang for your buck. I think it is a great way to either build your collection. I mean, to be honest, probably 90%, maybe 92% of what I have, brushes, skincare, makeup, everything has come from subscription boxes. Or if you're somebody that you're new to makeup, you're trying to get your feet wet, or maybe you have a tiny beauty who's trying to get their feet wet too, it's a way to try a lot of different brands, different products for very little money instead of going and spending $40 or $50 or $60 for a product and then you hate it. And this month's theme is The Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color, whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape. First up, I see the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. It says clarify, refresh, and balance. Of course, everything in here is a full size. Next up is the Rodial Brightening Cleanser, Brighten and Renew with Vitamin C. Next, I love seeing these little boxes. Anybody else? Because we know it's going to be Natasha Denona. This is the Natasha Denona Fez palette. It is a 5-shade palette. I'm going to guess Goldie Neutrally Bronzy. Oh, ugh. That shade looks absolutely dreadful. I really love this color story, but that does not look good. It almost already looks hard panned, and it's so weird because it's not even a full pan. I'm gonna try to show it to you guys up close without dropping it everywhere, but you can see it already looks like it's starting to form some hard pan, and like the pan itself or the shadow itself is not actually the size of the pan. That's a little unnerving. I don't mind it. We can kind of press it out just a little bit and just kind of flatten it out and then just pray that it stays there and works. So let me press it in some. This looks to be her cream to powder or like cream to matte type formula. It definitely is, and it pressed right into place. Okay, good. Luckily the one that got messed up is the creamy shade. I will swatch all of them for you though. I really love Natasha Denona, especially that kind of cream to powder shadow. They're stunning. So there's 4 of the shades. And you can use this as an eyeshadow. I also like to take these and put them down and use them as just an eyeshadow base. And then we also have this little soft neutral shade here. So, okay, I'm excited if that comes to you in that way. It's not hard pressed or anything. It's just that it's a cream shadow and it kind of probably just got mushed around in transport. I'm excited to have these. This alone retails for $48 and I love her formula. I think she has an exquisite formula. They're one of my favorites. Next up, we have the LC Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick in the shade Lucky Days. Okay, never heard of them. That's something else that I really love though, is that you can test and try out new brands that maybe you've not heard of or up and coming brands. Packaging feels a little cheap. It's kind of a standard component. I don't mind it as long as the product within is good. And it is a beautiful marble, like pinky bronzy shade. I know I'm personally not going to use this. I am not a pinky blush fan. I like oranges and deep apricots, terracotta type shades. So I'm going to put this in here, and of course we will give that away at a later date. Last up in here is the Wing Me, the brush we got last month. Fantastic. Like, the quality is up there with my Wayne Goss brush that I got in my Beautylish bag. That good. But it's the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. I do quickly want to see what the actual applicator looks like. I'm very particular when it comes to brow gels and the applicators. Oh yes, I will definitely keep this and use this. I like a very small, kind of close together type of applicator brush, so I think I'm really gonna like this a lot. I like this. I think it's a 5 out of 5 for sure. The only thing that I know for sure I'm not going to use is the exfoliating scalp scrub and the multi-stick, multi-pass. So I'm going to put those to the side. Let's get the box out of our way. Next up, we're going to go into our OG Ipsy Glam bag. I love getting this. I know a lot of people kind of complain that we get like travel or, you know, mini sizes. That's what I love about this bag, because we do travel to see our son. Oh, that feels weird. All right, I don't know why it's in this bag. I'm a little confusion, but maybe this is what they're switching over. I do not know. I think it's really stunning. I don't typically keep these. I do them for giveaways and stuff like that. Very soft beigey pink background, and then it has beautiful like yellow butterflies and stuff like that on it. First up, I am seeing the Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. I'm also going to put this to the side. I do have very dry skin, so me and clay masks, we don't like each other. Next up, it is a full size of the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. Next, we have a Seraphine Botanicals Liquid Kohl Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to assume liquid kohl just means black. Really cool to have, but I don't use liners a lot, so I'm also going to stick that over here in this little pile. Next, we have a Toy Factory blending brush. I don't think I've ever heard of Toy Factory. Packaging is pretty stellar though. I'm also very particular about brushes. All right. It feels kind of cheap, not gonna lie, but it does feel incredibly soft. And it is kind of short too, so I'm gonna have to think on this. I will stick it right back in the package though, in case I decide not to keep it. Also, just to note, I am somebody that tries my very best to not be a wasteful person. Anything that I know for sure I'm not gonna use, I'm not gonna open it, I'm not gonna swatch it or anything like that. I put it to the side. That goes into giveaways, random act of kindness, things like that. And then last up in our little bag is the Lottie London Quad in the Rose Golds. I'm also going to note that I got something from the Refreshments line, and I'm not sure if this is a creator thing or if it's just kind of showing you what you could get if you got the Refreshments. So let me pull this out. And it says, Refreshments, skin, hair, and body care made better for all. And you can stock your bathroom, subscribe, and save to get 20 to 30% off. I did get the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit and the Pillowy Shave Cream. I love the Pillowy Shave Cream. It is fantastic, and it's a citrus one. I also have a lotion that has the citrus scent to it, so that I'm super excited about. I'm going to give the month overall a 4 yellow hearts. I think the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, especially if you like the Natasha Denona palettes and stuff like that, I think you're really gonna like it. I do like that there's been a great blend of, there's some hair care, there's some skin care, some brushes, some tools, the e.l.f. primer, the brush. I think that's a fantastic month, you guys. Why don't we just go ahead and give away the stuff that we know we're not gonna keep for the month. You're gonna be receiving a bag, the Lottie London Quad. We'll go ahead and do the brush as well. We have the Lucky Chick multi-stick, multi-pass. We have the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. We also have the liner, and we also have the Mud Masky Clay Mask. So if you'd like to enter to win all of these products, all you have to do is be in the USA. You must be subscribed publicly, and I have to make sure that you're publicly subscribed. You're going to give the video a thumbs up and share the video out. Leave a genuine comment down below. All rules and everything are always in the description box. The winner will be chosen 2 weeks from today at 2 p.m. Eastern. I will reply to and pin your comment. If I do not pin your comment, you did not win. Please use common sense. Please be mindful that there are a lot of spam accounts out there. I will never ever ask you guys for any type of money, no credit card details, no nothing, only a place to ship your winnings to. That's it, okay? So just note that. Also, sorry about my lipstick transferring. It is what it is. I apologize. What do you think about this month? I'm overall very, very excited. I'm excited to get my own bag. Basically, the only thing I'm going to be testing out for you guys in the next video is the Natasha Denona palette and the clear brow gel. I hope that that's okay. If you don't really care to see this, let me know. But if you do want to see a look, let me know. That will be in the next video if so. That's it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Good luck.